Today I'm leaving the house of Fortachón and Chaparra, so we're ready to go, and this is our support team. Woo! All right, let's go. So the plan is to follow the guys who are going for just a simple Sunday ride, and we're gonna follow them until a breakfast place so we can have breakfast together. And then the guys are going to continue, and Cherry and I are going to look for a cute little chill place somewhere next to the beach to spend a few days. And we're just going to relax after the Guajira trip, and added a whole lot of videos that have piled up after a few days of intense riding. Mountains in the background. This is the Sierra Nevada of Santa Marta. Somewhere over there is the Lost City. It's like the Colombian version of Machu Picchu, with the difference that the only way to get to the Lost City here, one has to hike for a few days. I did it 5 years ago, and up until now, it's still in the top of the most amazing experiences of my life. 4 days through the jungle, across the mountains, passing by the villages of the indigenous people. 4 days without electricity, without cell phone connection. And in the end, it was more than just a trek. It was an entire, spiritual journey. Palomino. Touristy surf place. It's one of the places that I consider to spend a little bit more time in, since I like surfing, so I'd like to see what it looks, if it's too touristy for my taste or if it's actually alright. And I think we're going to stop somewhere for breakfast. Organization moment. Voy con ustedes a desayunar, ¿no? The sea. I can see the sea. This is looking pretty good. Hello, Caribbean Sea. You look amazing. Look at this beauty. Riding along the Caribbean Sea puts a big smile on my face. The sea, the Caribbean Sea. So beautiful. And we're still going for that breakfast place. I think we're gonna get there for lunch. Riding for nearly 2 hours to eat breakfast. It better be good. Oh, we have arrived. Breakfast. Tamal and chorizo. Caldo. Chorizo arepa. Tamal. Otra sopa. Chorizo con arepa.
Y servilleta.
Y servilleta para el desayuno. Chao, chao, chao. Buena ruta. Woo! I decided to go back to Palomino, which is just 15 minutes away. See what it looks like. See what are the surf options and the hotels. And if I like it all, then I'm gonna stay there. Let's see if I can surf. So this is Palomino. Let's go check out a couple of hotels. I just go directly to the hotel and tell them I want to stay a few days, and if they can offer me a good price. A regular sandy road. This is the one, Hermoso Palomino. I was offered a room with a fan and with breakfast included for $50,000. That's about $13. Let's go see what else is out here. So I just checked out the second option. It's called Casa Kai. And the room itself is kind of more fancy, but the price is double up, so it's 100 per night. And the place itself looks, I don't know, a little bit abandoned, but the room is quite nice. And now I'm just going to see the beach and decide where I want to stay, and if I want to stay here at all. So many foreigners here, super touristy place. Oh, let's go take a look at the beach. Thank you very much. I think I'm just entering a random hotel. Okay, I can always just ask for a price for a room, just to justify my appearance here. Let's go see what it looks like. So funny. They're talking. So this is the beach. Full of tourists. One surfer on the lineup. Bodyboarder. Couple of beginners. So what do you think? Should I stay here? The beach is beautiful, I mean. Surf options. Maybe it's gonna get better in the afternoon. I looked at the waves. They are not perfect now, but people say they get better for the sunset. And I asked for the price for the room, and they said usually it's 150,000 per night, but if I stay for 5 days or more, then I can get it for 100,000 per night, which is like $25, which I mean is not so bad. It's right on the beach. And but then I have the option of staying for 50,000, but then I have to walk to the beach 1.5 kilometers. What do I want to do? Oh, how cheap am I? And I ended up choosing the first option, and not just because of the price. It's just 4 rooms. Super cute place with a garden, some kind of chill area, a cat sleeping on a chair. And here there are a few turtles. Hello there. And this is Didi. Didi. Hello, Didi. 20 minutes walk and we're on the beach. Hola. Editing videos be like. Ooh, look, the waves are getting better. Let's give it a try. My first surf session in Palomino. Haven't surfed for a year, since Morocco in April, I think it was.
Buena, 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 buena.
Sunsets at the seaside. This is heaven. After surf hangouts are just so cool. Oh my god, I love this vibe. I think I'll stay in Palomino for a while.